Hello friends, this is CA Satyamurthy Ramanujam. Welcome to Nifty Profits YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to analyze L&T Infotech, which has been moving very fast in the past few days. So I'm going to analyze what is the best level to enter into the stock. Is there some more steam left in the stock? And what is the best entry level where you can minimize your potential losses and maximize your returns on this stock. Please note that this is purely educational. I am sharing what I feel about this stock and possible price movement in the stock, and also read the risk disclaimer given in the description of this video. Please manage your risk wisely, ensure that you protect your capital, and only risk that amount that doesn't make you lose your sleep. If you invest well, if you trade well and manage your losses, your profits will automatically come. That is my experience in the stock market over 30 years. Now, let's, without wasting much time, dive into the stock that we are going to discuss now. This is the chart of L&T Infotech, and you see I am using the daily chart now. Earlier it was in 1 hour. In 1 hour chart, you can see this long consolidation in this range between 3000 and 4300. Every time it moved from this 3600 level to 4300 level, it reacted and again tried to cross that level. Again it came back, again it went up, again it came back. So there has been lot of swings in this level seen clearly in the 1 hour chart. Now let's move to a higher time frame of 4 hour chart, where also obviously the swing highs and lows are visible. Now I have drawn a Fibonacci levels for this stock. Let me maximize the screen for you so that the numbers are more clearly visible. So the stock crossed the 38.2% Fibonacci level of its move from the lows of March 2020. At that time, it was somewhere around 2400 levels, if I am right. Let me see what level it was. So it moved from 1210 to a previous high of 4483 and then retraced to 3570. So the difference between this 1210 and 3483, which is about 3200 points, the stock covered 38% of that move of 3200 in this move from 3470 to 4400 levels. Then it further moved up and now it is hovering at the 50% of the move it made from 1210 to 4400 levels. Okay, so it's now hovering around 5200. Is it the right level to enter the stock? All the infotech stocks are moving up overall, but then if you see the risk reward, it has already made a move of nearly 1000 rupees from 4400. So it may not be a wise idea to enter into the stock when it can only give the next resistance is at 5592 as per Fibonacci levels. So it is about 400 points up move that is possible, and on the downside it can come down to 4820 levels, 4800 levels, let's say. So it's just a 1:1 ratio of risk reward that is existing in the stock. So I will not enter the stock now at this price. I will wait for the stock to retract to 4800 level, which I feel it will do in the coming days as the profit booking comes up, because the result for the stock, which will be the next which will give the next impetus for the stock to move, will come little later. The next quarterly results, by when again all the infotech stocks will start moving. So hold tight and set an alert for the stock at 4800 levels, and if it comes to around 4300, buy even more, and expect that the stock again starts a journey towards 5200 minimum, and then to 5592. That way your risk reward will be better in this stock. So if you enter at 4800, where is your stop loss? Let's see. I have made the volume based point of control, and that is coming at 4694, or you can say 4690 levels. So if you enter the stock at 4820, it's only about 4694 is just about 130 points. So 130 points is the risk, and the reward from there will be 400 points, where your risk reward is much better. Don't worry if the stock moves above 5200 and goes and touches 5592. You lose nothing except the opportunity that is lost, but the risk reward is not in your favor, so no need to regret. If it goes to 5592 and retraces back to 5200, then one can consider to do one more swing trading for a move towards 5500, and at that time we will keep a stop loss near 5150 and trade presently. So my advice is to not enter into the stock at this level, and wait for a retracement towards 4800 levels to enter the stock. I hope you enjoyed the analysis. Thank you very much for staying with me and listening to my discourse on this stock. Please do like, share, and subscribe to Nifty Profits YouTube channel to watch more and more of these technical analysis videos, which are presented here only for educational and guidance purposes. Thank you very much. All the very best. Have a profitable trading career.